What is going on, fam? Here with another video analysis, and real quick, for tonight's session, I will be going over GPUSD longs and EURUSD shorts. I had actually sent out this trade to all my Pits Profit Club members / VIP members on my live trading session earlier. As you could see, we're already running in profits for both trades, GU and EURUSD running in profits already for the short and for the long. So real quick breakdown, let me just go ahead and break down EURUSD first. So on EURUSD, if we take a look at the daily time frame, on a daily time frame, we could see very clear how we still have some potential movement to the downside to come and fill in our imbalance area that we have right here for the daily time frame, as well to potentially come and clear out the old low that we left behind right there on that sell side liquidity, which is my overall target profit move, which would be around 150 pip move for the downside. And now just breaking it down to lower time frames, such as the 4-hour, where on the 4-hour time frame, we could see how market respectfully respected this commission price candle, which is the last bull candle before the move down. As you can see, market started coming to the downside, then coming its way back up to fill in the imbalance and test into its commission price candle to then continue on going downwards. So now this gave me confirmation the market is going to continue on being bearish to come and clear out the sell-side liquidity, even potentially come into the daily accumulation price candle, and imbalance area right here in this zone, filling the imbalance of the daily. And a 1-hour time frame, pretty simple analysis that we did here on the 1-hour time frame as well, just breaking it down to lower time frames. We went ahead and grab our Fib retracement from our start to the impulse, which my start of the impulse is going to be right here on this high, and on the impulse on this low. Make sure you always mark up your Fib from start to end, from wick to wick. There we go. Market made its retracement up and to that 79 Fib level, which is a high premium price, which is an area that has a high price. Therefore, you're tending to sell the item on a high price. For example, if you have a pair of shoes, you bought them for retail price at $100 and you're trying to resell them back in the market for $200, obviously you're going to want to sell them for the more expensive part, right? So therefore right there, we came into that premium price, filling in imbalance, testing a commission price candle on the 1-hour right here. Perfect. Market came right into that area, into that zone. Now, once I saw that, that gave me confirmation to get in for selling positions. Now, my deal entry would have been right in this area. Sadly, I didn't get in there. Why? Because I wasn't really looking at the market around that time. So therefore, when I saw this price close, this 1-hour candle close, that gave me confirmation the market was going to continue on being bearish to the downside to potentially clear out this low that we have right there and continue on going down to its old low all the way down here, which I should be moving my stop to break even once we come into this low. Once we come into that low and break it, we should go lower down here, which would be the daily low over here. So that's what I'm looking for EURUSD. We are currently running in profits around 22 pips in profits. And then for GU, I did get in for longing positions. Quick and simple analysis on this one as well. We're going to see how on the forward time frame we had sell side liquidity. Market had came down to clear out all the sell side liquidity. No more sell side liquidity in the market. Therefore, that means that there's no more retail traders in the market for smart money movements to now come in for buying positions to fill in the imbalance area that we have right here on the 4-hour and potentially clear out its old high up here, which is my overall target at 122 pips, risking 29 pips. Now we just went to the 1-hour time frame and we got confirmation in the 1-hour, marking our Fib from start to the impulse. Also confirmation that we filled in bullish imbalance. Market came into that imbalance and tested into that commission price candle that we have on the 1-hour. And we marked the Fib. We also came into a 79 discount price. Commission price candle, last bearish candle before we push up. Instant rejection after reaching that 79 Fib level. Now we had got in for a buy right there. That would have been the ideal entry. But like I said, I was going to look at the market around that time. But when I saw that candle close, I decided to get in for long because now I knew the market was going to be bullish to the upside. So with that being said, guys, those are the two pairs I'm looking on for tonight, GU and EA. Both trades were taken in my live trading session with all my VIP members. That being said, everybody have a great night and happy trading to you all. See you guys till next time.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Just a quick update here on the trade that I did take last night for Euro AUD and GP USD. As mentioned, here on Euro UD prior, I had mentioned you guys that we were going to be closing profits or partials depending on how market was going to be reacting inside this 2-hour time frame accumulation price candle that we saw market test here. We had our entry price all the way up here. Total amount of profits I did get out on that accumulation price candle around 100 pips once we got in there. Yeah, like around 102 pips that we secured profits. I closed my trade right on this candle. Why? Because I saw market that was respecting well the accumulation price candle on a 2-hour that I had mentioned before, which is the last bearish candle before the push up. Market came right into it. And the confirmation that I got out of it to get out is that we started seeing a lot of accumulation going on, some buyers being accumulated. Therefore, there was some buying pressure. So that gave me the decision to get out the trade. And so we closed the trade at 100 pips. Now here on the GPUSD as well, take profit was overall at 120. Simple trade setup, market came into 1-hour commission price candle right here, filling an imbalance as well. We got in for the buy and went straight into profits, had no drawdown at all from the entry price that we got in, no drawdown. It's close to trade at 110 pips. Didn't wait to hit take profit because we started seeing some slow movement going on in this area as well, accumulating price right there. So that's why I decided to get out and profit at 110 instead of risking it. So make sure you always want to, you always know when to get out from the trade, right? You always want to know when to get out when you start seeing some slow movement in the market or when you start seeing accumulation in the market. That's when you should get out. Why? Because the market is undecided on where to head to or where to go. So with that being said, guys, we did secure profits 110 pips on GU and 100 pips on EA. We have a great night. Happy trading to you guys all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.